Action talk and no one bag of mouth.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Action Talk. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. For today, Wednesday, June 24, 2009, my name is Primo Respect. Three company ready to buy two government sugar factory. The Jamaican government done set up everything and ready now for sell a two sugar factory with them own in St. Thomas and Trelawney. The Gleaner for Wednesday, June 24, 2009 said in one government meeting with them keep yesterday, Christopher Tufton, the government minister with response for farming, did make everybody know about what they make up their mind to do. From last year 2008, the government make up their mind to sell off 5 of the sugar factory them and Petrodam Ethanol Limited. Enough sugar worker, they lose their work when the government did make up their mind say they must sell the sugar factory there. But the company from Brazil with name Infinity Bioenergy did for buy the factory them but never bother with it. The government are going to sell the factory them to Fred M. Jones Estate Limited, Separate and Everglades for one special price. Separate and Fred M. Jones are going to buy the St. Thomas factory for $44.34 million Jamaican dollar. And Everglades are going to buy the Trelawney factory for $133 million. Christopher Tufton said every year a $2 billion more go upon the money but the government overrun the Jamaica Sugar Company. So when they sell some of the sugar factory them, it's going to help the government to save enough money. The factory where they are Trelawney are going to sell with some other building, nearly 100-acre land and only more land where they are going to lease out. For the factory where they are St. Thomas, are almost 10.5-acre land I will sell with it. Tufton said the two company them will buy the factory them I got plan to spend enough money to fix them up. Fast according to the factory buy them and nearly 550 million Jamaican dollar them are going to spend to make the Trelawney factory bigger and 240 million Jamaican to fix up the St. Thomas one too. In a 2-week time, Tufton plan to go back and meet with the rest of the government. To show them the other money them will want by the other 3 sugar factory them when they Money Musk, From and Bernard Lodge. Yesterday, Roger Clark from the People's National Party, PNP, says since the Brazilian company changed their mind and named to buy the sugar factory them, the place did mash up. So Emma hopes that the government have good plan to bring it back in a one good state. This is Action Talk. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. Till next time, in your Primrose Bite. Walk away.